So when you create an account on EFSANE, you will be given 2,000 Gen. And when you log in on daily basis, you'll be given 400 Gen. When you invite your friend using your invite link, you'll be given 1,000 Gen. And when your friend you invited invite someone else, you'll be given 600 gems. And when the person you invite someone and the person you invite another person, you'll be given 300 gems. That is level 3 referral. And you can exchange this gem to EFS coin, which you can then exchange to dollars and withdraw your money. And also, when you register on EFSANE, you can get airdrops on your EFSANE account from time to time, such as Picoin, Shiba Inu, PHY, and every other cryptocurrencies out there. All right. So I registered an account yesterday on EFSANE, and I checked my account this morning, and I was shocked. I saw 600,000 TES token on my account, which is around $60. And on this very video, I'm going to be withdrawing that money on this very video to confirm if I can actually withdraw it or not. So what is EFSANE all about? EFSANE is a cryptocurrency consulting service company dedicated to providing comprehensive and professional crypto asset services to global users. So right now they are onboarding new users into the platform, and to appreciate you for your time, they are giving you free money. And I know the question right now is, how do you create EFSANE accounts? The link is in the comment section. You can also get the link on the description of this video, or go to my bio. You'll see the link on my bio as well. Let's dive into it on how to create your account on EFSANE and also, aim their reward. Don't forget to follow, like, and share. Let's go. So this is it right here. Once you copy the link and paste it on your browser, you are going to be directed to this very platform right here where you have to create your account. You can see that right now this thing is not on English. So let's put it on English. To put it on English, click on this web logo here. Then select English. So right now you have to fill in your details, depending on the country you are watching this video from. If you are in Nigeria, click on this flag logo here and select Nigeria. Scroll down to select your country. The next thing you do here is this: enter your phone number. Make sure you enter the number correctly, and please try to use your WhatsApp number, because they're going to send a code to your WhatsApp number which you will use to verify your account. Once you have entered the phone number, the next thing you do is this: click on send verification code here. Then the code will be sent to your WhatsApp. Then copy the code and paste it here. Once you are done with that, enter your invitation code. It's very important to enter the invitation code, all right? You can see the code there on the screen. This code will help you to maximize your earnings on the platform. So enter this code here as your invite code. The next thing, enter your password and click on register. That is it. Once you have successfully created your account, try to log in. Once you have logged in, the next thing you do is this: click on your personal center. You can see I have 2,000 Gen here. To redeem this 2,000 Gen, you need to stay active on the platform for 2 days, meaning you need to log in for 2 days. Okay, let's click on menu. Okay, now click on spot to see your cryptocurrency balance. You can see right here that I have 600,000 TES token, which I said they gave to me. You can see the equivalent right here. Okay, we are going to be doing this later. Let's proceed. Click on menu again. You can participate on the task center. This is task center right here, which is 1, new registration. Number 2 is daily task. You can see the daily check-in. Okay, you need to log in daily to claim 400. You can see it right here. So let's go back to menu. Then this is invitation right here. To get an invitation code, you can copy your code here and send to your friends and invite them as well. You can see they have level 3 referral here, 1, 2, 3. You can check news about the crypto space right here. Click on 24/7 news. You can see news related to cryptocurrency right here. Okay, you can just check, just explore the platform. All right. So right now, let's try to withdraw that money I just received just now. Click on your account. Click on your account profile here at the top here. Click on personal center. Okay. Now click on spot. You can see what I have right here. Okay, test. Now click on test. Click on flash swap. Right now, select the coin you want to swap. I want to swap test. This is test right here to USDT. Okay. So right now I want to swap everything. I'll click on maximum. You can see what I will get: 61 USDT blocks. Click on confirm. Click on confirm. Okay, so right now let me go back to my account and check if it has been swapped already for me. You can see now, you can see I now have, you can see it right here. I have USDT right now, which is 69.9 USDT. Of course, they have to take transaction fees. To withdraw it, click on withdraw. Let me enter the amount here: 69.9, 59.9, 59.9. All right. Now I have to select the network. I want to use BSC network. Okay. Now my wallet address. Let me paste my wallet address. All right. Now you can see the fee here. The fee is $1. Okay. So it means that I'll be receiving $58.9. So click on confirm. So the code has been sent to my WhatsApp right now. So let's wait. All right, so I've made the withdrawal right now. Let's wait for some seconds and see. Let's wait for some seconds. So from here, you can see that my balance have reduced right now. This means that the money have been sent to my wallet. Right now, let me check my wallet. You can see my wallet right here. You can see the USDT I just received just now. So that is it on how to participate on EFSANE platform. You can see that the withdrawal works. Okay, you can see that the withdrawal is working very fine. So start engaging right now, guys. The link is in the comment section of this video. You can also get the link on the description or go to my bio, and yeah, the link is there for you to use. And don't forget to hit on the follow button, like this video for me, very important, and share with your contact for them to also benefit from this as well. See you on the next one. Bye for now.